So how to transfer photos or videos Android to iPhone by using a data cable. Connect your data cable for both of your device, and now I want to transfer photos or videos to Android to iPhone. So go the Android phone, then you can see the USB and image option. Sorry, press and hold. Then you can see the transfer image. You have to select transfer image, but you can transfer video as well. Keep watching. I already transfer some video. Then you can see the device option, your device. Now select your file. For easy and for tutorial purpose, I am selecting just an image. You can select multiple image or video as well. Press on import. Now press on keep. Now go back to my Samsung device and find the image which I am transferring. And if you go to your iPhone and go to the recent date, then you can see your file is available here. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.